Let's learn how to restore the old YouTube layout. First step, make sure that everything is working properly and that you are connected to the internet. Next step is to open the web browser of your choice. In this case, I will use Google Chrome. Now, you need to type in Restore Old YouTube Layout in the search bar and press Enter. Look for browser extensions or scripts that are specifically designed to bring back the classic YouTube layout. For this example, I will use the old YouTube layout extension available on the Chrome Web Store. Wait for the search results to load, and then click on the first result that takes you to the Chrome Web Store page for the old YouTube layout extension. Next, click on the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension to install it. Wait a few moments for the extension to download and install. Once it's installed, you should see its icon appear in the top right corner of your browser next to the address bar. After the extension is installed, refresh the YouTube page you have open, or type in YouTube in the search bar and press Enter to open the site with the old layout restored. If the layout doesn't change immediately, try clearing your browser's cache by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner, selecting More Tools, and then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select Cached Images and Files, and then click Clear Data. After that, restart your browser, go back to YouTube, and you should see the old layout restored. I will not proceed with using this extension because I already have my preferred layout set up, but in the end, it should look like this. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.